Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we on aeroplane mode in our Poco phone. Guys, you want to on guys your aeroplane mode in your Poco phone. So how can you on? Today I will show you in this video guys how to on aeroplane mode. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, now let's see how to on aeroplane mode in Poco phone. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to turn on your aeroplane mode. Then guys, scroll friends, you can see this type of settings. So how can we on turn, how can we turn on guys airplane mode settings? So when you can see connection sharing guys, tap here guys, you can see your airplane mode. We want to on, you can on from here. After on guys, you cannot use guys your phone call setting and mobile data setting guys, and airplane icon guys you can see on your screen. So like that guys, you can use guys your download movies, and guys you have your offline game, you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet a next video guys with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.